In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side front axle on this Volvo S60. This is going to be located on the driver's side behind the wheel. Let's get into it. Now, take the lug bolts out. Use a 19mm socket. Now, before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Take that out. Grab the wheel and pull it off. Now, remove the bolt. Use a 13mm socket. Take that off. Now, we're going to take the brake caliper and bracket off together. Use a 15mm socket. Take these two bolts out. Take that bolt out. And when you take this bolt out, this bracket's going to come with it. It's going to slide off with it. Now grab the caliper, pull that off. I'm just going to use a brake caliper hanger and just hang it out of the way. I'm going to attach it to the coil spring and just push it to the side. Using a 8mm socket, take out the bolt for the ABS wire, or the wheel speed sensor wire. Take that out, and grab the sensor, pull that out. You see the grommet that's connected to the bracket. We're going to pull that out. Just grab that. Pull that out. Set that aside. Now we're going to remove the lower strut, nuts and bolts. Use a 21mm socket, 18mm wrench. Take these out. I'll just use a punch, tap these bolts out. Pull those out. You might have to push down on the knuckle a little bit. You can separate this. Pull the axle out of the knuckle. Just pull that to the side. Now, from underneath the vehicle, if you have a shield, you want to remove that shield. This vehicle does not. Then we're going to use an axle fork and just separate the axle from the transmission. Make sure you put a drain bucket just in case you lose any fluid. And just give it a tap. There we go. Pull that out. We didn't have any fluid come out, so that's good. And it comes right out. Now take the new axle, line it up, slide it into the transmission. Try to push it in. If you're having a little trouble, you can take a rubber mallet. Just give it a couple taps. Now take the axle, go through the hub, just push that in. That's good. Get it lined up with the strut. It's recommended that you replace these bolts. Line the bolt up. Those bolts in. You can use a hammer, give it a tap if you need to. And put the nuts on. Snug these down. And torque these to 77 foot-pounds. And then go an additional 90 degrees. Take the wheel speed sensor, push the grommet into the bracket. Take the sensor, slide it through the knuckle. Take the bolt, slide it through, get that started. Snug that down, that's good. Take the hanger off the brake caliper. Slide this over the rotor. And take the bracket with the bolts. Get those started. And snug these down. Now torque these bolts to 74 foot-pounds. Take the new bolt, get that started, tighten that down. You want to snug that down, and then to prevent the rotor from spinning, I'm going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and have that butt up right against the caliper bracket. We're going to torque this bolt to 25 foot-pounds, and then you're going to go an additional 90 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle meter, do the best you can. That's good. Now install the wheel. Take the lug bolts, get those started. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 103 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. I'll just go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.